for example, in a Polish home, it's not that common to talk about Jews. In my home, we were talking about the Jewish tradition. And always on Easter, I remember we were talking about celebrating Pesach. Even if it's not Pesach, it's Easter, but we were talking about Pesach, and we were talking about the importance of Pesach. Also, what is, again, not that common, in my home, we were talking about the Jesus' Jewish origin. I mean, I grew up knowing that Jesus is Jew, what is actually or should be common knowledge, but in the Catholic Church in Poland at some point, it's not that stressed out that Jesus was a Jew. It's like separating Jesus from his homeland. Also, we have a big picture of Jerusalem in our living room. And everyone who is coming, it's always surprised, but my father is always saying as a joke or part joke, well, this is making Jesus feeling like at home in our home